Good evening or good afternoon, dear friend, and I want to take this opportunity to appreciate you if you have made it up to this time around. All I want to start by telling you is that make sure that you stay safe, sanitize every minute, and make sure that you keep safe, wash your hands, maintain social distance, be safe. Coming back to the business world, recently I was trying to track down the records. I was looking at Jeff Bezos, one of the billionaires, self-made billionaires. I saw his income shoot by 28 billion US dollars in just a period of 2 weeks. Can you imagine the time when Corona had started? For him, his incomes were shooting up. You can imagine. Now the question is, what are you going to do? Are you going to keep there watching as people are changing, or you're going to go there and complain? Let me tell you something. The problems that you're facing are the same problems that are facing each and every person. You are facing same challenges. We are facing same challenges. Corona, okay, it's a topic. Remember, look at world superpower countries are also crying of the same topic. But the question is, which tone are you going to cry in? How about you look at this, getting into the business industry? Different businesses which are running right now. For example, I can say network marketing, of which it is one of the best industries. And you find a way how you can make money online, even when you're at home, doing whatever you're doing. So the reason why I'm sending this video to you is I want you to open up. I want you to open-minded and think beyond the gaps. The question is, people are losing jobs each and every other single day. Let this month end, let Corona end, you'll see companies are shutting down, companies are closing. The question is, what are you going to do? Are you going to keep down watching? Are you going to cry? Are you going to go to your parents and you cry and say, guys, I'm back? Are you going to complain about the government? Are you going to start complaining? Maybe they need to change the president. Are you going to keep watching? Are you going to go to your kids and tell them, guys, you are supposed to sit down because there's no more school fees? What are you going to do? The question is, this is a time to think big. Think beyond the box and see what are you going to implement. See what are you going to do in the coming days. Guess what? We have a wonderful opportunity. I want to assure you that if anyone can do it, you can do it as well. Let us think big. Let us think beyond the box. I want to wish you a wonderful evening. Be blessed. Enjoy your new month. Happy Sunday.